Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Office to PandaDoc. All right. Before, you can just easily connect both applications to the integration section right here from PandaDoc. But now you won't be able to see Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. We only have Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay. So the way to connect these two is that we're going to be using a integration platform, just like Zapier or Make.com, Pipedream, or something like that. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to be using Zapier. It is completely free. Just hit on Zapier.com, and once it loads, click on Create, click on Zaps. Okay, if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and make one. It's pretty easy to make a Zapier account. Okay, and here, Trigger. Click on Trigger. For example, your trigger is from Microsoft Office. Okay, just type in Microsoft right here. And as you can see, you have a ton of options. You have Outlook, Excel, Teams, and some other options. Okay. For example, you would like to select Microsoft Office 365. Okay. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and click on Sign In and sign in with your 365 account. Okay. Wait for it. Confirm. Stay signed in. Go ahead and scroll down. Accept. Now, your account has been added. Just go ahead and click on Trigger right here and select a trigger event. Okay, for example, there's a new contact in your Microsoft 365. Okay, click on it. Now, go ahead and hit on Continue. Contact folder. Select the contact folder. Then hit on Continue. Once that's done, just test the trigger. Okay, once you get the check mark, that means that you're good to go. Just hit on Continue with a selected record. Now, tap away. Click on Action. Now we're going to be using PandaDoc in this section. PandaDoc. Click on it. Now log in with your PandaDoc account. Once done, select an action event. Okay. For example, there are a new contact from Microsoft Office. So what do you want to happen in your PandaDoc account? For example, if there are new contacts, go ahead and create or update contact to your PandaDoc account. Okay. Click on it. And once done, hit on Continue. This is just for testing, okay? Enter an email. I'm going to go ahead and enter my own email right here. Then the first name, Ryan, Christian, phone number, job title, maybe postal code, okay? As you can see, these fields are pretty familiar because these fields are required in PandaDoc contact, okay? Just hit on Continue and just test the step. Once that's done, all you have to do next is just hit on Publish, okay? Once you hit on Publish right here at the bottom right or at the top right, Zapier right here will just wait for this trigger event to happen. Okay, you can just easily close this one. And once there are new contacts in your Microsoft 365 account, Zapier right here will automatically create or update a contact in your PandaDoc account. Okay, that's basically it. Just hit on Publish and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and close this one. Now, when we go ahead over to our contacts right here, we should be able to see my own email. As you can see here, editor, phone number 1111-9516. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.